Well, today's been a pretty good day for me. I've had these arrive in the post today, and this is some whole coffee beans from Island Beans in Trinidad. So it's pure Trinidadian coffee, and I've put those two in front because the ones behind were let's just say they were inspected by HM Customs, and they just taped up the fronts like that after they'd cut them. So I suppose they were checking to make sure that I wasn't smuggling something. Oh, there you go. So that's the coffee. So Island Beans, thank you very much, guys. Really good. I'm going to enjoy that.